Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the features of the CTSNSLH 144QT Clearview Storage Bins, a versatile solution for all your organizational needs. These large storage boxes measure 19.5 inches long, 14.1 inches wide, and 9.8 inches high, offering a generous 48-quart capacity per bin, perfect for sorting clothing, bedding, books, and more. With a see-through design, you can easily identify contents without opening the bin, and the upgraded three-way access, featuring dual front and back doors, allows for convenient retrieval of items without disturbing the stack. Each bin comes with its own lid and 4 wheels, making them not only stackable but also individually movable, maximizing space in any room from the garage to the office. Crafted from high-impact, shatter-resistant polypropylene plastic, these bins are robust enough to support up to 150 pounds, ensuring durability with reinforced seams and handles. Designed for ease of use, these bins snap together in just about 10 seconds, providing a quick and hassle-free organization solution for closets, shelves, or any other space. So, whether you're looking to tidy up your home, dorm, or office, these storage bins offer the perfect blend of practicality and style. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.